What happens when you inherit a house with a mortgage? Many inherited homes in the United States still have an outstanding mortgage. Most heirs discover this only after the funeral. The lender doesn't just forgive the debt because someone died. So what actually happens to that loan? Today, you'll learn exactly how mortgages transfer after death, what you legally owe, and the 3 options you actually have. If this helps, subscribing takes 2 seconds. Here's the crucial part. You don't automatically inherit the debt. The mortgage stays attached to the property, not you. If the estate can't pay, the house secures the loan, not your bank account. You're not personally liable unless you co-signed the original mortgage. The lender cannot chase your wages or assets. They can only claim the house itself. Even though you don't owe the debt personally, the mortgage payments generally continue. Miss them, and the lender can foreclose. Most people assume there's a grace period after death. Typically, there's no formal grace period. Payments are due on the same schedule as before. If the estate has no cash, the property could enter foreclosure within months. This shocks heirs who expected time to figure things out. Federal law actually protects you here. The Garn-Saint-Germain Act lets certain close family members assume the mortgage without requalifying. Specific conditions and exceptions may apply. First option, keep the house and take over payments. You assume the existing mortgage terms without a credit check. Second option, sell the property. You pay off the mortgage from sale proceeds and keep any remaining equity. If the home is worth less than the loan, depending on state law and loan type, you may not owe the difference. Third option, let the lender foreclose. You surrender the house and owe nothing personally. This doesn't affect your personal credit history since the deceased's credit becomes irrelevant after death. Many heirs choose this when the mortgage exceeds the home's value or when nobody wants the property. Bottom line, you inherit the house, not the personal debt, but payments typically don't pause automatically. Which of these 3 options would you choose in this situation? Subscribe for the next video on what happens when siblings inherit property together and disagree. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial, legal, or investment advice. Always do your own research and speak with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.